Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today's video is going to be over a new fragrance that I've picked up, and it's going to be over Tiffany Company's fragrance. Now, Tiffany Company has come out with several fragrances which I didn't even know about them, but there are other fragrances by them, but this is actually like a signature fragrance, and I can't wait to talk to you about it. So if you're interested in this video, just keep watching and let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so this is a new release by Tiffany Company, and it's in, of course, their trademark packaging, this Tiffany blue. It has Tiffany Company on the front of the box, and you just open it up and ta-da, there is the bottle inside. So here's the bottle, and isn't it beautiful? I mean, it's a really pretty bottle. I think that this is supposed to resemble like a Tiffany Company diamond, like a Tiffany diamond. It's supposed to have silver on the inside, and it has Tiffany Company engraved on the inside. That is the bottle, really pretty, Tiffany blue trim here as well, and it also has Tiffany Company embossed on this little trim area. So let's go ahead and get into the notes of the fragrance. The top notes are mandarin, orange, bergamot, and lemon. The heart notes are iris, blackcurrant, peach, and rose, and the base is patchouli and musk. Okay, so I'm gonna spritz this on. And look at the spray. Woo. I'm going to go over this fragrance really quickly. So when I first smelled it, I think I got like a burst of patchouli. I don't know, but it just wasn't what I had hoped for. It wasn't, I just thought that this was going to be like fresh, kind of like Chanel's Eau Tendre, which I absolutely love. I thought it was going to be kind of like that, or like a Versace Eras, or I don't know. I just expected so much out of this fragrance. It's Tiffany Company. I mean, Tiffany Company to me, you know, is like an elite. You know, you think of, you know, this is going to be like a super, you know, beautiful fragrance. And it's okay. It's not offensive. It's inoffensive. It's soapy. It's it has a soapy smell to it, like a clean soapy smell, just fresh out of the shower smell. And for me, I would think Tiffany Company would be something more feminine, beautiful fragrance, kind of like Guerlain, you know, like, you know, I love Guerlain, their fragrances, and they're very feminine, and like Mon Guerlain is gorgeous, gorgeous, and I just feel like this is not what I had expected. A lot of people like it, a lot of people don't like it, so I would say you either love it or you don't. It's a 50-50 shot. But it's not that I don't like it, because like I said, it's fresh, it's soapy, it's like a clean smell. So if you want to go somewhere and you want to just have that fresh, clean, soapy smell, this would be good for you. But it's very expensive. This particular bottle on like regular websites are like $100. This is the 1.7 fluid ounce, and I actually got this on fragrancenet.com, and I waited for it to come on fragrancenet.com actually, because they don't always have like the brand new releases, but I waited for this, and I only paid, I want to say, around the $70 price range, because I had a 37% off coupon. Now, thank you FragranceNet for that. This is not sponsored. I'm not paid to endorse this website or anything. It's just I get really great fragrances from them. So this is not a fragrancenet.com video, but back to this fragrance. But I got it, you know, less expensive, but still $70 for something that you're going to smell just like some soap. I don't know. I just don't think that this is worth the $70. I'm sorry, I'm just keeping it real for you. Now, if you like those kinds of scents, great, wonderful. I mean, But to me, it kind of smells like Caress soap or Dove soap. You know, that's just fresh out of the shower soapy smell. And I can actually get that, you know, way cheaper. So I would just say I'm not one to recommend this fragrance. Now, if that's something that you like soapy fragrances, by all means, this would be the one for you. Just keeping it real on my channel, just telling you how I feel about it. I don't always love a fragrance, and if I don't, I'm going to tell you. It's not that I don't like the fragrance. I'm just kind of disappointed in the fragrance because I'd hoped for a lot more than just a soapy smell. So I hope you enjoyed this fragrance review, and I hope that you learned a lot from this fragrance review and help you make a decision on whether you're going to purchase it. And like I said, go to the stores, go smell it for yourself. It may be something that you absolutely love. You know, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm just going to say, I would say middle of the line, maybe a 5. That's just me. It's just fresh and soapy. I hope you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know if you had this fragrance or if you're wanting this fragrance. If you do have the fragrance, let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, if you think it's just okay. Kind of like the way I am. Nothing extraordinary, not something that I had hoped for, but I would love to know your comments down below. So, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more reviews like this. So, I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.